My name is Sarah. I'm an instructor with the Skills Upgrading Program. I work one-on-one with learners to offer them the skills and the resources required for the next steps in their pathway. The Skills Upgrading Program has classrooms all across Wellington and Dufferin counties. Here in Guelph, we have 3 classrooms. We have a classroom in Orangeville, Dundalk, Shelburne, Mount Forest, Drayton, Palmerston, and Fergus as well. We offer a flexible learning environment for our learners, and giving them the opportunity to take charge of their training plan and pace themselves throughout the program. We have individual instruction taught classrooms that focus on building skills in developing language skills along with numeracy and digital technology skills. The majority of our learners are looking to move into the secondary school credit pathway here. So we work through continuing education to create a plan for high school completion. Sometimes this includes them moving on and considering post-secondary or workplace factors as well. Every location is a little bit different, but all learners do meet one-on-one with an instructor. We sit down, we talk about their short-term and their long-term goals. We work with continuing education and student services here to establish a graduation plan. So in Guelph here, they meet directly with our intake counselor. In rural locations, we would set up a video interview of some kind with this student services to put that graduation plan together. This helps us create focus on what skills we need to improve on. We will assess them on those skills and on their present skills and look at what we need to improve on. An essential component in their time with us is creating a training plan. This training plan offers us the opportunity to assess their goals, set realistic timeline goals, and we work to maintain and hopefully succeed throughout these goals. These goals might include upgrading specifically for a credit, but they might also include upgrading the learner's numeracy skills to move into employment in the trades, or some digital literacy skills working towards independence or employment in that regard. The active learning component of our program happens in class and at home. We work one-on-one with learners to accommodate for their learning. If a learner requires a more auditory component to their training plan, we would offer them an online program such as the Learning Hub, and we would supplement this transition with our digital readiness program to help create a smooth transition. Outside agencies typically refer to us via email. We have, through Skills Upgrading Program at ugconed.ca, we ask that they copy the learner in this process to keep them included. Typically, we wait for the learner to reach out to us, unless if that is otherwise indicated by the outside agency. That is very dependent on their skill level and their goal. For example, here with the credit example, we might have 2 learners going into a grade 11 college level math credit. One learner might be upgrading their skills for college from a workplace level, but another learner may come into the program with no prior knowledge on the subject. So those 2 learners are going to have very drastically different timelines. We offer online and correspondence credits as well. So learners, if they do require more time, we can always accommodate for that as well. We may have learners going directly into a credit course here in class. This would set a strict timeline goal for their upgrading, but if a learner requires more time to transition successfully into the credit, we also offer online or correspondence credits as well through continuing education. Every learner is very different, so there is no clear profile here, but when a learner transitions onto one subject in a credit, they may always choose to come back and continue in another subject area as well.